Bristol, UK. The hip city in England might be an unexpected choice for hot air ballooning, but it has a very nice annual festival. The International Fiesta attracts balloonists who entertain spectators with their colorful and creative balloons. Flying season is March to October. Bristol Balloon Fiesta takes place in the month of August. Mount Bromo, Java, Indonesia. The sport is becoming more and more popular in Indonesia. International Festival in Bogor has popularized hot air ballooning in the country. Hopefully, the business will develop successfully. The surroundings of the volcano are breathtaking. Hot air ballooning in Switzerland. The astonishing landscapes of the country is a real treat for the Aerostyers. The adventurers can choose from over 50 different places to go hot air ballooning. You can go there anytime and experience the vast scenic beauty of the Alpines. Tuscany, Italy. Tuscany is a gorgeous part of Italy with amazing landscapes, green valleys, villas, vineyards, and historic towns that attract visitors from all around the world. These amazing panoramic views are best observed from above. Bagan, Myanmar. Ancient city is the main tourist destination in the country. Over 2,000 historic monuments, stupas, and pagodas look fascinating from above. Hot air balloon company even picks up tourists from the hotel. Pilots are friendly, professional, and experience is unforgettable. Yarra Valley, Australia. Just an hour drive from Melbourne, Yarra Valley is a famous wine region. Uninterrupted hilly valley, Yarra River, hopping kangaroos, vineyards. The trip offers some amazing sights, and in autumn, that is March to May, it gets covered in colorful foliage. New Mexico, USA. The surface is very versatile here, from mountains to prairies to deserts. There are various places where balloon festivals take place in New Mexico. White Sands, Shiprock, and other balloon fiestas attract millions of visitors every year. Ballooning in the Arctic. Canadian company offers the most exciting hot air ballooning. The Aerostyers get to see captivating icy landscapes, polar bears, whales, migrating caribou, and muskox. The company also offers the polar adventures and safaris.